Welcome to Karna Maths Academy. Questions answers NEB, HSEB, HSEB 2064, question number 1A, Group A. Question number 1A, find the values of x and y if 5x plus 3x minus yi equals to 10 plus 2i. Solution: 5x plus 3x minus yi equals to 10 plus 2i. In this question, we are given two equal complex numbers, and by solving this, we have to find the value of x and y. Whenever two complex numbers are equal, then their real parts are equal and imaginary parts are equal. So the first step is equating the real parts. 5x and 10, they are the real parts. Equating the real parts, we get 5x is equal to 10. And by solving this, we get value of x equals to 2. 10 divided by 5, we get 5 to the 10. Next, we have to equate imaginary parts. The terms containing I are imaginary parts because I is called imaginary unit. 5x and 10 are real parts. 3x minus y and 10 plus 3x minus y and 2i, they are the imaginary parts. Equating the imaginary parts, that means 3x minus y equals to 2i. 3x minus y is equal to 2. Equating the imaginary parts, 3x minus y is equal to, the value of x is already we have found, the value of x is already found, the value of x is 2, so 3 into 2 minus y as it is equals to 2. So 3 to the 6, 6 minus y is equal to 2. Transposing 2 to the left hand side, then plus 2 will be minus 2, so we get 6 minus 2 equals to minus y. Transposing to the right hand side, minus y will become plus y, therefore y is equal to 6 minus 2, 4, therefore the value of y is 4, hence the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 4. So when two complex numbers 5x plus 3x minus yi is equal to 10 plus 2i, then the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 4, which are the required values of x and y. Welcome to Karna Maths Academy. Exam solution HSEB 2064, question number 1B, Group A. Question 1B, let the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Find the relation in A cross A satisfying the condition x greater than y for all x, y belongs to A cross B. Find the domain of the relation. Let the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Find the relation in A cross A satisfying the condition x greater than y for all x, y belongs to A cross B. Find the domain of the relation. Solution. In this case, we are given a set A, and first we have to find A cross A. Then we have to find the relation in A cross A satisfying the condition x greater than y. That means x component greater than the y component. And then we have to find the domain of the relation. The set A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Relation in A cross A satisfying the condition x greater than y is equal to what? Domain of the relation is equal to what? A cross A. That means the Cartesian product of the set A with the set A itself is the set of ordered pairs. The set A is 1, 2, 3 cross the set A is 1, 2, 3. Now we have to combine the two sets and find the Cartesian product of the set A with the set A itself. We know that the Cartesian product is the set of ordered pairs. So let's find the set of ordered pairs. 1, 1 is the first order pair. Similarly 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. A cross A, that means the set of ordered pairs we have already found. Now we have to find the relation in A cross A satisfying the condition x greater than y. We have to find relation in A cross A satisfying the condition x greater than y. Now from the set of ordered pairs, that means from the Cartesian product of the set A with the set A itself, we'll find the ordered pairs which satisfy the condition x greater than y. In the first order pair, the x component is 1 and y component is 1. That means they are equal. So 1, 1 doesn't satisfy the condition x greater than y. 1, 2 1 is less than 2, 1 is not greater than 2. So 1 comma 2 also doesn't satisfy the condition x greater than y. 1 comma 3 doesn't satisfy the condition. 2 comma 1, 2 comma 1 satisfies the condition x greater than y because x component is greater than y component. So we can choose the order pair 2 comma 1 in the relation A cross A because it satisfies the condition x greater than y. 2 comma 2 doesn't satisfy. 2 comma 3 it also doesn't satisfy the condition x greater than y. 3 comma 1, 3 comma 1 satisfy the condition x greater than y because 3 is greater than 1. So we can choose the order pair 3 comma 1 in the relation A cross A satisfying the condition x greater than y. Similarly 3 comma 2 satisfies the condition x greater than y because the x component 3 is greater than the y component 2. 3 comma 3 it doesn't satisfy because x and y components both are equal, but we need the order pairs in which x component is greater than y. So relation in A cross A satisfying x greater than y is r is equal to 2 comma 1, 3 comma 1 and 3 comma 2. Now next we have to find domain of the relation R. We know domain of relation is the set of x components. The set of x components of any relation is called domain of the relation. So domain of R means x component. We have to take x component. X component is 2 in the first order pair. X component is 3 in the second order pair. And in the third pair also the x component is 3. So 3 is repeated twice. We should take only once. Therefore domain of the relation R is equal to the set of 2 comma 3. Thank you.